the fourth estate. And I'd like to acknowledge Honorable Deputy Minister Makuranzo and the Permanent Secretary, the Chief Government Mining Engineer, and our Director of Communications. The Ministry of Mines and Mining Development would like to advise all miners, large, medium, and small scale, across the country, that the onset of the rainy season brings with it grave dangers and risks that are a threat to lives and potential loss of equipment and damage. During the rainy season, we experience heightened risks in the form of flooding, drowning, weakened ground leading to fall and grab subsistence, as well as slammed breaches. The ministry would like to implore all the miners in the country to be cognizant of these dangers and risks and accordingly take adequate precautions to mine safely and preserve lives. The ministry therefore advises our miners as follows. A. Avoid working or mining along waterways as there is potential of shafts flooding from rain upstream, posing risks. Avoid digging and blasting in old mine workings as the ground may become unstable and bound to collapse. Pillar robbing underground should be avoided at any time and at all costs. This really, pillar robbing, is not restricted to the rainy season, but it's an occurrence which seems to to happen throughout the course of the year. But it should be avoided at all costs. Generally, miners should avoid sinking shafts in low-lying areas, as there is a danger of mines being flooded by free-flowing waters during the rains. Miners should take measures to divert free-flowing water to avoid flooding of shaft workings. And finally, thorough risk assessment to be carried out before miners get into underground shafts. Where such assessment indicates any potential risk, miners are advised to completely stop mining altogether and resume when rains stop. Regrettably, we have already lost lives this rainy season due to flooding, and the most unfortunate thing is something that could have been avoided. Furthermore, miners should cooperate with instructions and guidance given by government authorities to ensure safe mining operations. And let us remember that human life is far worth more than any mineral, so let's preserve it. I thank you.